Hello again everybody, it's me Asawang Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna invite you everybody, my new subscribers, to click the join button level 3 for longer videos. So I did not update anymore for my level 2 and level 1, so just go directly to level 3 and what you can expect there is the weaving engine, wearing high heels, wedges, stilettos, different kind of shoes, weaving engine, and also wearing stockings, and of course more to come, an outfit to come with our feet there in my membership. So just click the join button next to subscribe button. So and then for my channel, if you love my videos, you can also click the super thanks next to the share button in my channel. So that would be all for now. And of course, I love you everyone. I love you everybody. Thank you all for watching and supporting my channel. And again, more driving videos to come. Bye.